Your family, exactly.
Whether they have happy marriages,
Happy
happy
marriages.
children.
Yeah,
Only
exactly.
then give them a boy seat on the board.
That will become our responsibility now. That we see to it that everybody in
No,
this
because
country
more
is
fairly
absolutely-
these lighter things reflect whatever more serious concern is that if you create an environment where cinema needs, because you have and you speak for the young, and in a sense there is so much talent out there which fears and lives in an atmosphere of fear. Therefore, their creativity is getting hampered. They are not thinking in freedom. It may be half perception, half reality. But in whatever way the industry and we can work together in a way to create and dispel this notion of fear that exists in the mind of younger filmmakers. There's so many who will come to me that if I make a political film like this, it'll get censored. I can't make this, I can't make that. So that is affecting the quality and overall of cinema as in India, So therefore, maybe a debate between us and maybe, we go together and we create an environment, though we've said this for the past 10 years, but maybe we can start now and this notion can be dispelled and
But
how
let
we
me
can
tell
do
you
it
one
between
thing,
this.
Sudhir.
And it is
These-
really...
These debates that
Yeah.
you've had
Yeah.
have helped. You are seeing a different mood in the certification rooms today
Yeah.
than it was 10 years and 20 years and 30 years ago. So it's not that these debates don't help. All this comes out in the press and the media and everything. And then they also have their internal, or after all, it's a maturing nation. It's young audiences are growing up with different mindsets.
Can I make a quick question? Do you have any control over the guidelines that are given to you as far as the censor board?
No, it's been set by them much earlier, and we have not been asked. Or
How much have those
Don't you think
guidelines
that,
changed?
exactly, don't you think that the guidelines need to be changed?
That's what I said. The first
that
thing
is
I
something,
said.
yeah, that is something that
arcade's
is something that
60,
we
70
need,
years old.
Yeah.
that is something that we need to, work towards as a film industry as well. That's the part that we really need to change. We need to change those guidelines and how to go about it, whether we take it to, whether we
Again,
go to court for
just
it or
for a
whatever.
technical correction, we cannot write the guidelines, but we can have discussions with them, debates with them, so that they can bring about changes in the guidelines. Yeah, we have to, because the directives are given by the center, by the ministry, through the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting.
Film industry has been made to participate. New acts are under the process of framing. We have had long discussions in last 1 year. The committee has submitted a report and they traveled all over India involving the film industry, the audience and various stakeholders seeking their opinion and suggestion. Like he just mentioned, when the same meeting was held by Justice Mudgil in Chennai, he had given 20 points as suggestion to be incorporated. And 18 of them have been incorporated in the guidelines. New guidelines, yeah. Should be reacting to various scenes. Yeah. I think it was held somewhere in 2012 or 13. Samvad was held in which film industry people were broadly invited, press people were invited, the panel members were there, the board members were there.
To the wife. It is not the filmmaker's point of view. In fact, it is showing the viciousness of that one character and what she's up against. But the censor board will ask you to cut those things, thereby taking away a lot of it.
Entire premise of your
entire
film.
premise of a film, which is actually not part of a guideline that you have, which is part of the personal opinion of the board members often. And that's where it comes in, I think.
Sudhir, I have to also tell you that we have got a lot of TV shows. We have got characters mimicking a lot of politicians, etc., which is there on the channel, which is freely viewed. If I do the same in my film, it is chopped.
Yeah, that itself is...
That is to start with. Just think, it can be shown in any TV channel, because any characters, any politicians, I'm just these cartoon characters, everything, it can be shown. But in case I do it in my film,
In fact, television gets away, and specifically, Bobby, we can talk about this later. television gets away, I think, because it hides behind the press and the freedom of the press, and we are not given the same. They are under a self-censorship code, which is where the film industry as a medium of expression should come, actually. And that, I think, is the solution to it all, or is it not?
Books and
Because the
television have that
Cinematograph
freedom.
Act, by itself, because we are under the Ministry of, not under the Ministry of Culture, we are under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, which deals with, among other things, publicity, propaganda.
They are always trying to put the moral responsibility on the movie maker for society. That is consistently, constantly so.
So,
That whatever you're showing, don't look at it like this. Look at it that you are responsible members of society.